All right, so I'm just basically cleaning out the sink right now before I do my laundry. So this sink is also my bathroom sink. So I definitely want to clean it out before I put my clothes in there. I just went up the street and got some laundry detergent. All at the very low cost of 45,000 dong. Fill you up with some hot water. I don't know. My shower doesn't have hot water, so I'm not sure if this is going to have hot water. Either way, hot or cold, it's going to work. All right, so no hot water. So I'm going to do 2 articles of clothing at a time. A shirt and some shorts. And I'll throw some socks in there too. Okay. Got me some Omo. Oh, it's cut right down the middle. I'm probably gonna need to get a little plastic container to store this in whenever I travel. Get this all mixed up. It's a shirt. So I don't want to do any wringing, just kneading. Let it all soak in. I should have been doing this. I don't know why I wasn't. Save a lot of time and energy. Trying to find a laundromat, trying to find a laundry service. More expensive. Let those sit for a little bit. Now I'm going to get a towel. So the towel is basically going to soak a lot of the clothes wetness out. So I'm just gonna set that towel right there. These are next. Yeah, it's gonna soak a lot of the wetness out of the clothes so they'll dry faster. And I'm gonna let those sit for a minute. Like I said, it's my bathroom too, so got my hygiene kit. Gotta have the coconut oil. Got to. This is my little workstation here. Of course, you gotta have your workstation. Edit videos and all of that good stuff. And then, you know, every now and again, if my iPad's not connected, I'll watch some YouTube while it's downloading. Or I'll just go out and do something. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 3 or so minutes. Now I'm going to just squeeze it out a little bit. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. All right, let's do it one more time. Suck 2. And the reason I'm doing very little clothes is because the size of my towel is small, that I'm going to be putting the clothes in to speeding up the drying process. Squeeze it till the juices come out. Okay, so it has been 10-15 minutes. I gave it a little bit more time. So now what I'm going to do is wring everything out individually. Again, I don't want to wring it out, but I want to squeeze it out. So after I wring it out, now I need to drain the sink. So I'm gonna put some fresh water in and put it back in. This is just fresh water to squeeze out all of the laundry detergent. Yeah, sorry about the flickering. I don't know, the light here, it's been doing that since I got here. For this one, I'm just gonna get them all because it's a small group of clothing. Squeeze it all out. Rinse all that out. Put the stopper back in. Spread everything out and rinse. So yeah, just set a timer and let it sit. And in the meantime, I'm just, right now I'm just watching some YouTube and having a drink, a little drinky drink. So like the more you backpack, the more you just kind of find a way to make things feel like home. Anything you would do at home, like laundry at home, you kind of turn your Airbnb or your hotel or villa or lodge or, you know, Oyo hotel, whatever you want to call it, you turn it into a home. So this water is a lot more clear, so you can tell that the detergent is out of it. So now I'm gonna wait another 10 minutes and then I will put it on the towel, and I'm gonna show you that little towel thing I do to get the drying to go quicker. Stand by. And we are back after a good 10 to 12 minutes. The water is still clear. Just lets me know that all of the detergent was out when I wrung it out and took all of the detergent out through the drain. One more wring out for all of the clothes individually. And it's nice doing it like this because I've actually, like, this is a button shirt, and doing it, you know, by myself without the washing machine, I can definitely watch out for the buttons because I've actually lost some buttons washing clothes before, and I don't want to do that. Do you like your buttons on your button shirt? Yeah, me neither. Protect the buttons for the world. Oh, it smells good too. Yep, smells of fresh. What I want to do is set everything down individually and separate. That way they're not touching. So roll it up tightly. So you can step on it, put your knees on it, or just do both. Flat. It's already very dry compared to when I just took it out. And now, all you have to do is hang it up to dry. Hang you like that. That's how you do it. Just find somewhere to dry your clothes. And any place with a sink is any place that you would be able to wash. So, let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. You can find anywhere to hang them up. Anywhere. Like, even up here. I could just use whatever that is. Hang it off the edge there. Off the wood. Hang it off the top of the door in the bathroom. Yeah, I just wanted it right here because my AC is right there and there's some type of direct flow. So, thank you guys for watching, and I wish you peace, love, and happiness.